hey, गुड आफ्टरनून। आज जो है 13 दिसंबर और हमने फिर आज कुछ एक नया ट्राई करने की कोशिश की है। दैट वी ट्राइड समथिंग डिफरेंटली। यू नो देर इज a asset management. There is a asset management. We have to see in that one that how we are doing an asset management in our company. The best thing we can do is to sort out the assets that we have to go through a particular way is like first we have to plan that. We just don't go with as it is phases, and it will not give us the beneficial term. So one of the way we wanted to go to define, because planning is very important, and if we'll plan properly, and we will see all the aspect of the planning, then we can see that did we really did all the effort we wanted to make it, or where we will fail. So in one to go we can recover, and we can be in a better position to do that one. So let it all go. Let's start with the step one. Step one is a define asset categories. You have furniture, you have some electronics, you have laptop, you have desktop, you have vehicles, different type of assets. You have brand name, you have a different kind of things that it can be termed as an asset. So you have to classify that one. If you are not classifying that, it is really going to be making a very sturdy stuff. So, and after that one, you have to assign a code. You have to make a code, you have to stick it to that particular assets. If you wanted to make a code, you have to start with something that is generic, and it will go to deeper, that it will give you where it is and how it is. So most of the time, if you are looking to right angle, it will solve the problem. Like I have make a category code. It will start with the category like if suppose is a fire extinguisher. So fire extinguisher is a safety equipment. Safety equipment start with SE, and then it will go much deeper. Deeper like when it is purchased. Okay, so it is purchased on this uh, 0423, means April of 23. So 0423 I will write, and then I will go ahead and write one more thing, that for which department this asset is purchased. Means like suppose I purchase a printer, suppose this fire extinguisher I purchase for the office, but for the official work, where our office will be. Give it the categories properly, then give 1 2 3 name, that how many assets are there in which one. So it will give you two things, that first you define it and then you will label it. So labeling start with this one, that you have to assign a category codes. Okay, you have to develop a unique asset ID system. Means that asset ID can be installed on anywhere by looking at that, which kind of asset is this. So ID system already prepared, we told already. We have to include other identifiers. We already included that years or something, that which area it is used. Maybe you are using in a different branch, you have to write that branch code, and which barcode format you have to use that. The most important thing is that which barcode format you will use. There is a different kind of barcodes. Means there is a like code 39, code 128, then you have a QR code, and you have a different kind of categorize of codes. But go with the easy one like a barcode and other things. If you want to have your multiple assets which form different kind of, means that you have some asset with IT related based, and you have something that digitally showed over there, then you can put it over on QR code. Otherwise, you'll go with a simple code 128, easier. And then already you put an additional information, that asset name and purchase date and department. Okay, it's now go to steps. Next step, printing and labeling. So you have to have a durable material for that. If you don't have a durable material, it will not sustain in some rainy area, some warm climate. It will not give you benefit. So you have to give best quality of label. Then your software you have to take. I think easily you can get a software. And last thing you have to do this, apply this labels to the assets. Okay, so you did lots of work, different kind of setups, and then on the last, means it's not the last, but you apply this one to your asset and your furniture or your board or your whatever your items you have purchased, you apply to that one. Then implement the asset tracking system. Asset tracking system, you have to bring the software that it can, differentiate different kind of assets, and you can come to know, okay, this kind of assets you have, because you have multiple kind of assets, so you have to have a software in that one, or some software have to support that one. Train your staff scanning and tracking also. So if you have a staff over there, you have to train them to scan it and how you have to put in the system. The last is maintenance. You have to put a regular audit, like you get a detail, you got things that it will be completed in general views, but you have to audit it. If you are not auditing it, maybe your assets are be moving somewhere and they are putting it somewhere that it will be becoming damaged. Lots of issue can be happen, so you have to put proper audit. Lastly, update, replace the damage label, check your system what's new is coming, so you have to do particularly with that one. So this is what, all the asset management system, how you can prepare that one in a company which already established, or you wanted to start with that. So thank you very much, thank you for your time. And this all video is for my daughters. Whatever I am learning new, I am putting it over there, so my daughter can be easily accessible to see that one, all my three daughters. And this for you babies. Thank you. Sign off.